In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a gallery view in Airtable, turning your data into a visual, card-based layout that's perfect for portfolios, products, or directories. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, open your browser and go to Airtable. If you're not already signed in, click Login and enter your credentials. Once you're in, open the base you want to edit. This is the workspace that contains all your tables and records. Then, select the specific table you'd like to display in a gallery layout. If your table doesn't already have image files, you'll want to add an attachment field. This field allows records to display images or other files as part of each card, which is essential for a visually rich gallery. Now, look to the left sidebar where you'll find the Views section. This is where you manage different ways of looking at your data. Click Create New View, and from the list of available view types, select Gallery. A dialog box will appear asking you to enter a name for your gallery view. Choose something clear and descriptive, like Product Gallery or Portfolio View. Then click Create. Airtable will instantly display your records as individual cards, each representing one row from your table. To make the cards look their best, open the View settings, usually found by clicking a small gear or settings icon. Here you can choose which image field is used for the card preview. If you have multiple attachment fields, select the one that contains your primary images. Next, configure which fields appear on each card. You might want the record's name, a brief description, or a date. You can also rearrange or hide fields to keep the cards clean and easy to read. This step is key because a cluttered card can distract from the visual impact. Once you're happy, click any card to view or edit the full record. And don't worry about saving. Airtable saves your changes automatically. A quick expert tip: gallery views shine when used for image-based content like products, portfolios, or directories. For the best results, use high-quality images for clearer card previews. You can also add filters to display only specific records, and always customize the card layout to highlight the most important information. And that's it. You've just created a beautiful gallery view in Airtable. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.